This is Paula Womack from the UPUC staff here with Ada McCarroll, the chair of our Hurricane Helene Relief Task Force at UPUC. And we learned a lot about the needs, specific needs that still exist in Western North Carolina on our recent trip, in particular with the organization CORE that we're working with to do a rebuild of homes in neighborhoods. And what the project manager, Antonio, emphasized to us that they need most of all is money, cash donations. They can also use gift cards from places like Home Depot and Lowe's so that they can buy construction supplies, because they're having to rebuild either homes that are taken down to the studs or homes that have been severely damaged. So money and construction supplies are the biggest needs. They also need work crews of adults to come and help with things like muck outs, general cleanup, and assisting contractors with flooring, insulation, drywall, painting, those sorts of things.
So from our UPUC community, we ask that you donate to these needs. Particularly the money needs is essential to get things up and running, and the local contractors, they have to be paid for the work that they do. So we would ask that you would give generously, but no matter what you give, it will be very gratefully received. The button is still there for Hurricane Helene on the website, but the other thing we talked about was sending a work group. So that would be, unfortunately, they do not take youth. It's only adults. It's part of CORE's system of doing things. I'm presuming that insurance-wise it would not be wise to send youth. So they can't take youth, but they can take adults, men and women, able-bodied, whatever you can do. So that's something we would really like to home into, because there's a lot of mucking out to be done, and that can be done while the contractors go on with the real work of rebuilding and getting these people back in their homes quicker. So with your generous donations and your thoughts about a work group, we would greatly appreciate both.
We will put a link here with this video so that you will know how to make donations, and that you will know how to contact us if you're interested in a work trip for adults. You can see either myself or Ada at church, and you can also email us or text us, and we will start a list to see who might like to go and what you might like to work on. But they definitely can use our help, so think about signing up and think about what donations you're able to give. We would appreciate any and all of them, and so would the folks that we met in Western North Carolina.